Hi, I'm your trainer, Samantha Clayton.
And hi, I'm your trainer, Anka Bukur.
This is a 10-minute lower body focused workout. We're gonna do 40 seconds on, have 20 seconds of rest. I hope you're ready. My team is ready. Feet are wide for our first exercise with a squat with a cross over to the knee. So you can cross your arms in front or have your arms open with Anka. We're gonna squat down and cross over to one knee and over to the other. In 3, 2, 1, clock starts now, let's go. Remember that body weight is in the heels, crossing that elbow over to the knee. Remembering to smile. This is our first exercise. There are 10 exercises in this series. 10 minutes, 10 exercises, and you're really gonna feel it. Give me one more on each side, that's one. And relax. 20 seconds rest. What have you got for us, Anka?
Okay, so we are moving to squat, but this time we're gonna have the squat and then we go into the balance. We try to find the balance, keep 2 seconds, go again to the squat and switch side. Are you ready?
Perfect. Ready to work our core?
Yes. Open your legs, push your butt back and down, go into the squat, go into the side, find the balance, hold, and go down to the squat. Good job. Now switch, hold there, 1, 2, and go into the squat. Hold for 1, 2, and go into the squat. Good job. Make sure you engage your core. Keep your standing leg strong. So you can keep there 2 seconds.
Ooh, feeling that balance.
Yeah.
Woo.
You can keep your feet on the floor if you want to, so feel free. Give me one more. And this is it.
Awesome. 20 seconds rest. Being a runner, you know I've always got runner's moves for you. So our next one, we're gonna do a running balance. You're gonna have one leg stationary. We're gonna work alternate sides, but to start with, we're here. And then you're reaching back, runner position, knee comes up. In 3, 2, 1, knee is up and reach back. And again, for this one, you can always do a modification by tapping the foot back, having that foot tap down. But of course, if you want to really challenge your balance, you're going to go ahead and you're going to have that balance to work the core. We all have different levels of flexibility, and that's okay. Keep it going. Really going to start to feel that in your hamstrings. Give me one more. Ooh, shake it out, shake it out. Ooh. And you know, to have a balanced body, you really need to make sure that you do what you do on one side, you have to go ahead and do it on the other. So get yourself ready, 4 seconds to go. You want to balance this time on the opposite leg. Nice and stationary, knee is up, and reach back. This exercise is great because you're working that stationary leg. You're working those muscles in the feet, those tiny little muscles that help you with stability. They're really working right now. Working those hip flexors. This is a really, really great move. It's one of my total favorites. One more time back, you guys. Oh, and shake it out. What have we got next, Anka? Come on, give us our next move.
Okay, our next move is we're going to the squat, go deep, and then you have a full circle. So just lift your knee and give me a full circle and go down to the squat.
Got
Did it?
You got it at home?
Okay,
Hip
so
openers.
slowly down, we go into the squat and we lift our right leg and go down and left. Good. Keep your body still, arms strong. Squeeze in your core and show me your circle and your squat. Good job. Stay low into the squat. You want to feel the burn.
Oh, I'm feeling that burn.
Okay, let's do 2 more. 1 and 2. And that's it.
Amazing. Now I know you've got a perfect exercise that really engages the core and the calves. Show us that exercise, Anka. Let's go.
Yes, I'm sure you're gonna love it. You just turn on the side, go into the squat, go deep into the squat, make sure you set your position, and then lift your hands up, lift your heels, and go back into the squat.
Perfect. And so a modification for people on that, you'll follow me, okay?
Okay, so let's do this in 3, 2, 1, and squat, and go up. Squat, heels up. Squat, heels up. So make sure you stay low and you squeeze your core. You don't rush. You want to find the balance, but keep your own rhythm if you need, or just follow us. Have fun.
So yeah, if you don't have that shoulder flexibility to have those arms up ahead, you can just go ahead with that bicep curl and just slowly work on getting that shoulder flexibility. You can modify any exercise.
Great. Give me 2 more. And we are done. Good job.
Woo, perfect. Okay, I'm ready to get you on the move now. Time to get dynamic, really get on the move. We're gonna do some corner runs. Really easy. I want you up on those toes, sprinter position. We're gonna sprint forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, sprint back. Sprint forward and back. Corner runs, okay? Shake it out. Couple more seconds to breathe. Are you ready? Up onto those toes, sprinter position, and off we go. Really working. Driving those arms. You know me, Anka, being a sprinter, I'm all about the sprinting exercises. Keep it going, 40 full seconds, you guys. You've got it. Keep it going. 1 more corner each side. Last one. Woo. Woo. You're gonna slow us down a little, what's next?
Yes. Actually, our next exercise, we just go into the lunge, step back, make sure you have 90 degrees on your both knees, lift your chest, give me a strong start position, and play with your arms. You are just open, close, open, close. Strong arms, and we keep like this 40 seconds. What do you say?
I think I'm ready for that. It's perfect.
Okay, so set up your position, straight arms, open, close, open, close. Okay, we got the move. Let's keep the rhythm. Up, open, close. Out, in, out. Good job.
It's great going from dynamic moves to these isometric holds. Holding that position gives your cardio a little chance to cool down while they're still working those muscles.
Oh yes, I can feel it.
Gotta treat your body well, right? Go high intensity, slow it down a little, still working on the strength.
2 more seconds. And that's it. Good job. Oh
now, am I right in thinking you're gonna make us do that on the other side?
Yes, yes. You know very well we have to do it on the other side, the other leg. So we just switch leg, make sure you have a perfect technique, go down into the lunge, and this time we're gonna have a different move with our arms. So show me your strong arms, open, give me power, close, again, give me some power and close, and up and down, open, close. Yes, that's the move. Easy and strong, good for everyone.
This is a great one. You could do maybe add a little extra resistance, holding onto some dumbbells.
Yes.
You don't have dumbbells, go ahead, hold some water bottles. Or when you're out and about, you can just do it like this. It's perfect.
We can play all the time with the levels. Okay, 2 more. 1 and 2. Good job.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, you know what's coming now after an isometric move like that. We're gonna go back into dynamic. I've got a really fun one for you. We're gonna do knee pull, jump, heels go to booty, okay? So we go knee, knee, jump, knee, knee, jump. Come on, you guys, let's go. You at home, let's go. Of course, if you're not ready for the jump, that's okay, but just do what you can. This is our 10th exercise. 10 minutes of really hard work. It's really nice to finish with something that's super dynamic and hard. Work on getting that height. Almost done with this workout. Keep it going. We've got time for one more, let's go. Now that was your 10 exercises, 10 minutes, high intensity intervals. In order to change your body, sometimes you've really got to push yourself.
That's true. We had a tough workout, so make sure you hydrate, make sure you fuel your body with good nutrition.